Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the LCD bezel from a Dell Vostro 1700. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you want to do is slide the latches over to unlock and remove the battery. Next, you're going to remove screw covers from LCD bezel. Now remove screws from LCD bezel. And use fingers to carefully pry apart LCD bezel. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For LCD screens, click here. For motherboards, click here. For heatsinks, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.